Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best French drain cleaning tool is probably one of the most important tools you will ever own for maintaining the health and longevity of your home's drainage system. French drains are essential for preventing costly water damage, and keeping them clear of debris and roots is crucial for their effectiveness. This video will review the top French drain cleaning tools on the market, helping you choose the best one to keep your drains flowing freely and protect your home from water damage. Number 5. West Bay Sewer Jetter Kit. This kit is your solution for efficient drain cleaning. It comes with everything you need to tackle tough clogs. The durable hose is built to withstand high pressure, ensuring reliable performance. Its construction includes a thermoplastic polyester inner tube, reinforced with high tenacity polyester braid, and a tough thermoplastic polyurethane cover. 3 specialized nozzles tackle various blockages. The button nose clears blockages directly, while the rotating nozzle provides even cleaning, and the corner nozzle reaches those hard-to-reach areas. The quick connect plug makes switching between attachments a breeze. It's perfect for frequent assembly and disassembly of high-pressure connections. The M22 female to 1/4-inch female NPT fitting ensures a tight, leak-free connection to your pressure washer. It's designed for reliable performance under pressure. The kit includes spanners for easy nozzle installation, a pearl corsage pin for nozzle cleaning, and watertight tape to prevent leaks. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It boasts an extra-long hose, perfect for reaching deep blockages. The kit includes various nozzles to tackle different clogs. If you need a powerful and versatile solution for tough drain cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. Kit included everything I needed to get going: Teflon tape, fittings, etc. I found it important to completely unravel all 70 feet of line to make it very easy to feed into the sewer cleanout. I used my Westinghouse WPX 2700 gas-powered pressure washer, 2700 psi, 2.3 GPM, and did not have any issues at all. Fed all 70 feet with ease, zero kinking problems. With water in the line, no issues. For any homeowners with underground exterior drain pipes, gutters, sump, curtain drains etc., this is a great tool to have on hand. I hooked it up to a cheap Ryobi electric pressure washer and it performed excellent. Comes with all the tools attachments. Low investment with high return. It's a good self-contained kit with all the parts, even wrenches. Actually bought it to try and clean culverts, haven't gotten to that but will let you know after. The hose kinks almost constantly unless you string it out, then make big loops to hold it. Even then it's easier to just string it out flat. If you put it on a hose reel that would work even better. But if the hose was more stiff it wouldn't make the corners it does. I wouldn't try to push with no pressure on it because of how soft it is. If you put pressure to it it will pull itself and the pressure makes the hose stiff enough to push. Number 4. Drain King 750. Say goodbye to clogged drains. It uses water power to clear slow and clogged drains in your main drain and sewer lines, quickly and efficiently. No harsh chemicals needed. It expands from 3 to 6 inches to create a perfect seal. Then, powerful pulsating water jets blast away clogs up to 1,000 feet away. It's the first of its kind. This innovative tool makes clearing your drain safer and easier than ever before. For best results, store it in a cool, dark place and always use it with cold water. Make sure your water pressure is between 40 and 80 psi. It's great for main drains, sewer lines, basement drains, and even outside sewer drains. It tackles tough clogs with ease. Drain King 750 is made with pride in the USA, using high-quality materials for lasting performance. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This innovative tool uses water pressure to clear clogs, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It expands to a larger diameter, creating a powerful seal. If you prefer an eco-friendly and effective way to unclog drains, this is your best bet. What people say. We had been experiencing some basement flooding when our floor drain clogged. We took a chance and bought this product, and within 5 minutes all of the water drained out. It was easy to use and very effective. I placed this inflatable bulb attached to a garden hose in a 4-inch clean-out, and that clean-out could either be in the direction of my house drain, which leads to my bathtub, kitchen sink, toilet etc., or else to my 4-inch sewer. Then I shut off the water spigot which deflates the sealing bulb and pulled out the hose. Sure enough, water went right down my cleanout, which was a good sign. I made all the necessary preparations and inserted as instructed and turned it on. After a minute of observation to ensure it was sealed, I went about my business and let it do its work. After about 20 minutes I noticed the sound changing and getting more rhythmic and stable. I checked the end of the pipe and sure enough the water was flowing normally. Turned off the water and pulled it out and tested the drain and it was flawless. Number 3. Sewer Jetter Kit for Pressure Washer. This kit comes with everything you need to tackle tough clogs. It includes a variety of nozzles and connectors for different situations. It's built to withstand high pressure and is compatible with many pressure washers. The durable materials resist wear and tear. Choose from a button nose nozzle, a rotating nozzle, and a side hole nozzle to clear blockages effectively. Each nozzle has a specific design for different types of clogs. The Quick Connect system makes it easy to switch between nozzles and connect to your pressure washer. No more struggling with difficult connections. The kit also includes wrenches for easy installation, pearl pins for nozzle cleaning, and waterproof tape to prevent leaks. It's designed for ease of use and to help you get the job done quickly. It's not just for sewers. It can also be used to clean cars, motorcycles, and various other surfaces around your home. What we like. It's a compact yet effective kit, ideal for smaller jobs or those with limited storage space. It comes with several nozzles for various needs. If you are looking for a durable and versatile option for drain cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The Sewer Jetter Kit for my pressure washer has been a game changer when it comes to tackling clogged drains. This 100-foot hose gives me plenty of length to reach deep into pipes, and the 5,800 psi pressure provides more than enough power to clear out tough blockages in my sewer and drain lines. The hose is durable and flexible, making it easy to navigate through bends and curves in the pipes. After using it on a stubborn clog, I was amazed at how well it worked. Water flowed smoothly through the pipes again after just one use. The self-propelling function exceeded my expectation. Number 2. Tool Daily Sewer Jetter Kit. This kit is your solution for efficient sewer cleaning. It comes with everything you need to tackle tough clogs and keep your drains flowing smoothly. It boasts a durable construction, able to withstand high pressure and harsh conditions. The hose is built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. It features a thermoplastic polyester inner tube, high-tenacity polyester braid reinforcement, and a tough thermoplastic polyurethane cover. This ensures resistance to weather, oil, abrasion, and ozone. This nozzle tackles hard-to-reach corners. Its unique design blasts debris from all angles for thorough cleaning. Ideal for straight pipe cleaning, this nozzle's design ensures effective clog removal. The focused jet blasts away blockages quickly and efficiently. This nozzle spins to clear blockages and clean pipes evenly. Its rotating action ensures thorough cleaning and debris removal. The kit includes a 100-foot hose, 3 different nozzles, and all necessary couplers. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. What we like. This kit offers a long reach and multiple nozzles for tackling various blockages. The hose is built to withstand high pressure. If you need a reliable and powerful tool for clearing tough clogs, this is a great option. What people say. It does a very good job of blasting the mud. Also, it is much easier than trying to push a garden hose. The thickness of the hose is just right. Does a much better job than a garden hose in navigating the angles in a French drain system. I installed the jet to my 2,800 psi pressure washer and proceeded to feed the line through the drainage pipe till it would not go any further. I turned on the pressure washer and worked the line back and forth into the pipe. Immediately debris started coming out, the line would feed itself without effort. Worked very well attached to 2,000 psi electric pressure washer. It takes patience to use this as it must be constantly pulled out and pushed back in to move it forward down the pipe. Also, be sure to not turn on water till you have it in the pipe several feet. This is a great idea for DIYers. Saved lots of money with just a few hours work. Number 1. Sooprinse High Pressure Washer Kit. This kit is a comprehensive solution for your sewer cleaning needs. It includes everything you need to tackle tough clogs and keep your drains flowing smoothly. It's built to last with high-quality materials. The reinforced hose can withstand wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan. The innovative nozzle designs effectively remove blockages. The button nozzle blasts away clogs while the rotating nozzle cleans with a powerful spinning action. We've included Teflon tape to prevent leaks and a cleaning needle to keep the nozzles clear. These small details make a big difference. This kit comes with everything you need and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Contact our professional after-sales team if you have any questions. What we like. This kit includes essential tools and a leak prevention tape. The nozzles are designed for efficient clog removal. If you value convenience and a complete cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The high-pressure line appears durable and has held up with no sign of wear after jetting 7 different pipes. It worked really well on the smooth pipe, started at the top since I didn't know where the bottom drained, was able to get it through a few clogs and found the drain spot. The nozzle propelled itself right up the drain pipe, cleaning dirt out as it went along. Extremely easy to use this system. Worked just like the one I paid $1 for at a fraction of the cost. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.